In this video, we'll be looking at basic formulas in Excel, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with their preference given to them. As you can see, I already have dummy data inserted. So to add simply, all you have to do is start with equal to sign and select the numbers you want to add. So select the cell, basically not the numbers. So H6, then the operator uses plus sign with S7. Then press enter. As you can see, the total is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Now, to subtract simply, the concept remains the same. Start with equal to sign, then select the cell, highest number, then you want to subtract. The operator remains minus sign from the lowest number. Enter number 2. So 8 minus 6 is 2. But if you do the opposite, you should get the negative number. That means if you subtract 6 from 8, then you should get negative 2. For example, start with equal to sign, then select 6, then minus, select 8. It is negative 2. So this is how the operation is done. And to perform division, again, start with equal to sign. This cell, operator remains division by this. You should get an answer 5. 5. And to perform the multiplication, it's very easy. Again, start with equal to sign, select the cell into the lower cell. That's number 4. 2 4s are 8. So as you can see, when I select the cell where the answer is shown, and if you check here the formula bar, it shows K6 into K7. It is not showing 2 into 4. That means Excel always takes the address of the cell and not the value. So you can simply change the value anytime. So if you put another value, 2 6 are 12, automatically the answer changes. So this is the power of Excel. So this is the basic formulas in Excel. And to check the preferences, we need to go to BODMAS. So as you can see, we have BODMAS here, and it simply means bracket or order, divide, multiply, addition, and subtraction. So let's say we'll look at a scenario where you get a monthly pocket money of 1,000 and you have few expenses. Then after deducting all the expenses, you want to find out how many what amount is left with you. So for that, just start with equal to sign, total amount minus food expense minus, now let's see, transport. That means this is your taxi fare, daily 30, 30 for 20 days. That means we need to multiply. So open the bracket, this one multiplied by number of days, again minus your entertainment expenses 150. As you can see now, there are various colors representing each cell. Blue G6 represents 1000, G7 200. Similarly, if you have multiple cells, every cells will be given different colors, which helps you to find an error very, very easily. So when you press enter, you should get an answer around 50. So this is very simple, but if you check the order, the bracket B in the BODMAS is given the first preference. So if you can check here, the formula bar, D8 into D9 is done first, then only subtraction. Then it starts with subtraction. That's how the preference is given in BODMAS. And if you want to play around with the formulas, you should be aware of the BODMAS and how to put bracket. What happens if you do the addition first? What happens if you do the subtraction first? All matters. So please be careful with that. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.